get some oil. Oh, baby, we working today. AutoZone. Hold it. Hold it. Hey, we had AutoZone that baby. Yeah. Alright, y'all, we at AutoZone. Hi. Can I get 4 2050 castor oil?
2050?
Yeah, for bikes. Well, I guess it ain't no difference. Yeah, I got it.
10, 20, 030. 1040. Let me check in the back really quickly.
Okay.
Because I know I've seen one at 50, but I think if I'm not mistaken, we discontinue it.
What?
I know. I haven't seen it in a minute.
Uh-huh. Okay. Is this? It's something right here. 2050. It's something right here.
Oh. That one? Is that everything?
Is castor? Is this not castor oil?
It's Babaline.
Oh, that's the brand notation. Okay,
Yeah.
no. Can you see?
Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, if you still want Babaline, that's up to you, but Castro is a different brand.
Got you.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Child, that's why I don't come here by myself, because I'm over here. I didn't know castor oil was a brand. I don't know what my daddy tell me to go ahead and get this. Y'all lucky my daddy is not in Houston. So, but my man, whoever you are, just know, I don't know what castor oil of Abilene is. It's a different brand. You know what? Let me call my daddy. Let's see. And let him know they got Valvoline, but they ain't got no castor oil. I think he said they might have discontinued it. But anyway, let's see. Let's call my dad. Different Facebook. Today. They got Valvoline. He think they might have discontinued the 2050 and castor oil, but he going to check. But just in case they got Valvoline, is that okay?
No, no castor oil.
Okay.
It's going to pull some oil.
Okay.
You know, sometimes they got a gallon of course.
Yeah. Ain't no 50-20 in castor oil. He going to the back to check, but ain't none out here on the shelf. So I said he going to the back to check, but ain't none on the shelves. So no, ain't none on the shelf of 50-20 in castor oil. 2050.
2020.
Okay. Sorry, you got 2050? Yeah, that's exactly what I'm looking for. Absolutely. Yep, perfect.
How much are you looking for?
4 of them. Perfect. Never mind, they got it there. They got them.
I hear you.
I got it. They got it.
Okay. Get 4.
Yeah. Alright.
Alright, okay.
Alright, love you. Alright.
Love you too.
Alright. Child, and then I'm over here saying 50-20. I'm glad you knew what I was talking about, because that sure confused me talking about 50-20.
It's okay.
Y'all got a pan, like when you change it, something to drip
the
in?
The smallest one I have is this one right here. 6 quarts.
Will that fit in my backpack? I don't know.
It should fit in your backpack.
It will?
You can just put the oil on top.
Okay.
Okay. Did you want the phone or no phone?
Nah, I don't think I need no funnel. Hopefully it fitted that without it. Okay. Thank you.
Let me see.
Get this out.
Was that it?
Huh?
Was that you?
Yep, that's it.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
You got it?
I'm gonna see. Oh, put that in here first. Please don't let it work. Yes! Thank you. Yeah. Get over here. Let me see. No. Yeah, it better.
We have small pockets in here as well. I don't know if you want to.
Oh, and I also got some on the side. Awesome sauce. Thank you. She's gonna fit. Have a great day. Thank you. Oh. Whew. There you go. We got the goods. Okay. Let's rock out.